Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hello, I'd like to buy a train ticket.
Of course. Where would you like to go?
I'd like to travel to Riverside Station.
Do you need a one-way ticket or return ticket?
A return ticket, please.
No problem. What time would you like to travel?
Is there a train around 11 a.m.?
Let me see. Yes, there's one at 11:15 a.m.
That sounds perfect.
The return ticket costs $8.
Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, we accept mobile payments.
Great, I'll use my phone.
Your payment has been approved.
Thank you.
Here is your ticket.
Which platform should I go to?
Your train will leave from platform 4.
How long is the journey?
It takes about 40 minutes.
That's faster than I expected.
Yes, it's one of our fastest routes.
Is there a waiting area near the platform?
Yes, there are plenty of seats near platform 4.
Can I bring my backpack on the train?
Of course, small bags are allowed without any problem.
What about food and drinks?
You can bring snacks and bottled water.
That's good to know.
The conductor may check your ticket during the trip.
No problem, I'll keep it with me.
Try to arrive at the platform at least 10 minutes early.
I'll do that.
Excellent. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to the journey.